Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely fantastic Yamaha MT09-SP. Here we have a Yamaha MT09-SP. This is a 2021 bike on a 71 plate with just 5,479 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike's in excellent condition and comes in the tech black colour scheme, which is black, blue and silver, as you can see there. All the bodywork, petrol tank, all in great condition there. You see no scratches, no damage. Levers and bar end mirrors and the bar ends themselves all in excellent condition, no sign of any drop damage anywhere. The seat's in great condition as well with no rips or tears. There's no rear bodywork to speak of. It has got the tail tidy fitted, so it's done away with that rather horrible rear mudguard that goes over the rear wheel. Swinging arm all in great condition, and you've got the wheels finished in race blue, which are in excellent condition. As you can see, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. The rear tyres, plenty of tread left on it. Ohlins Rear Suspension on this one, being the SP model. No sign of any drop damage there. Standard exhaust also there, as you can see. The engine, again, all in excellent condition, no corrosion, no sign of any drop damage. Indicators, likewise, all good. Front suspension units, they're all good as well. Finished in black there at the bottom, is always looking really, really nice. And MT09 Radiator Guard there as well, which I think is a Yamaha genuine Radiator Guard. The front wheel, again, finished in race blue. And again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. Front tyre, plenty of life left in that one there as well. The front mudguard, no scratches, no stone chips. No sign of any disc lock calamities. It's the facelift model, this one, on the 21 model year 71 plate. So you get the new updated headlamp and the fly screen fitted there as well. The left-hand side of the bike, just like the right, all good. As you can see as we go around, with no damage to the bar end mirror, bar end or the lever. Headlights around and the fork leg and the front mudguard all good as well, with no sign of any damage to that front wheel on this left hand side. Indicator, again, all good. Petrol tank and the bodywork there unmarked. And your engine on this left hand side, again, no sign of any drop damage, stone chips or anything like that. There's a Quickshifter there as well. And again, foot pegs all good. There's your Ohlins Rear Suspension unit. And the seat all good. Again, chain sprockets in excellent condition as well. No sign of any too much wear there. Loads of life left. And the rear wheel on this side again, all good with that rear swinging arm. The top of the bike, excellent condition, just like the rest of it really. Petrol tank there, unmarked, no scratches from zips or buckles or anything like that. TFT colour dash. You also get cruise control on this one, a couple of rider modes, and anti-lock brakes and traction control. So if you are looking for a fantastic middleweight naked motorcycle, look no further than this stunning Yamaha MT09-SP. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this amazing Yamaha, then please do get in touch either by phone or via the website. We're delighted to take the inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.